So in this video, I'll show you how to withdraw USDT from Web3 wallet to Spot wallet Binance. So if you want to withdraw USDT from the Web3 wallet to your Spot wallet on Binance Exchanger, after you open up now the Binance Exchanger like this now, go to asset on the Exchanger. After you come to this asset, tap on this deposit button. After you come to deposit, now go ahead and search for USDT. After you search for USDT, it will appear like this now. Select the USDT. So from this option now, it will ask you to select the network. So I'll go with this BNB network, that's Binance Merchant Network. Now copy the address from the Binance Exchanger. After you copy the address, now go back and open up now the Binance Web3 wallet. So tap on this Web3 wallet. After you come to the Web3 wallet like this, now tap on this asset at the bottom right side. So under the assets now, here you'll be able to see all your assets. So now scroll to down and find the USDT you want to send. Now here is the USDT, select it. After you select the USDT, tap on this send button. After you tap on the send button, now paste in the address that you copy in this option. Just tap on this option and tap on this paste button. After you paste in the address that you copy, all you have to do now, tap on this done button. So tap on this continue again. So from this option, all you have to do now, go ahead and type in the amount you want to withdraw. Let's say I want to withdraw this amount of USDT. After you type in the amount of USDT you want to withdraw, just tap on this continue button. From there, the USDT will be withdrawn into your Binance Exchanger from your Binance Web3 wallet. And that's it, guys.